Sellercloud makes it easy to order quantity for FBA by linking a purchase order to an FBA inbound shipment. This lets you create or update a PO for items that the vendor will drop ship to an Amazon fulfillment center. From the FBA inbound shipment, click the Action menu and search for Sync to PO. You have the option to link to a new or existing PO. Let's link to a new PO first. Choose Link to New PO and click Next. Create a new PO by entering a name and choosing a vendor. When ready, click Next. Review your quantity for the PO and click Finish. A success notification will appear. You can view the newly added Ship by Vendor field and the new PO right on the FBA shipment. Clicking on the new PO number will open the PO details. From there, you can view the FBA number and item summary. To return to the shipment, just click on the FBA number. Linking an FBA inbound shipment to an existing PO is even easier. After choosing Sync to PO again from the Action menu, click Link to Existing PO and input the PO number. You have the option to see that PO before linking it by clicking on the Go to Selected PO button. Click Next when you've selected the correct PO. Review the quantity for PO and then click Finish. A success notification will appear. Your updated Ship by Vendor field and PO number are available to view right on the shipment page. Click the PO number to view your PO details, including the FBA shipment number and an updated item summary. Linking POs to FBA inbound shipments is easy with Sellercloud. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.